Hello and welcome to the channel. If you live in Shrewsbury in Shropshire, you'll know that there's a lot of development taking place around Meole Brace Retail Park. Just a quick video today from the DJI Mini 4K capturing some of the progress that's being made. Please do like, please do subscribe to the channel. So there you go, that's the progress that's being made at Meole Brace Retail Park. Hope you enjoyed the footage. Please do like, please do subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.